Sangken is the festival of joy. Sangken is the festival of light. Culture and Dhamma hand in hand, filling every heart so bright. We the Thai people gather here with love and gratitude we pray. To the triple gem we bow with faith on this blessed New Year's Day. To our parents and elders dear we offer love sincere. Wash their hands and wash their feet with blessings pure and clear. Then we laugh and splash the water high with friendship in the air, spreading joy and best wishes with kindness everywhere. Happy Sangken, dance and sing. Let the sacred water spring. Joy and laughter all around. Let the happy hearts resound. Happy Sangken, come along. Celebrate with cheerful song. Love and peace in every way. Blessings for the New Year Day. Come, brothers and sisters, come. Let's cheer in the cooling rain. Sprinkles of the sacred water, washing